Now remember about these 6 chickens. If we put them into groups of 2, then we will have 3 groups. But if we put them into groups of 3, then we will have 2 groups. Now let's take a look at the example of division, but using fraction. Let's take a look at this bar of chocolate. This is a bar of chocolate, not a door. The bar of chocolate is only 1, but when we divide it by 3, then each part is 1/3. So it works the other way around, that if we divide 1 by 1/3, then the answer will be 3, because there are 3 of 1/3 parts. The way it works, it's just like this. The one piece is turned into 3 parts, and then we need to count how many has one part. In this case, we have 3 parts. Here's a clearer explanation. If we have 4 bars of chocolates, and we want to divide it into groups of 2/3, then we will start by cutting all of them into 3 parts each. You will see that now we have 12 parts. Now let's count for every 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups that consist of 2 parts. So the answer of 4 divided by 2/3 is 6. Let's take a look at the conclusions from the previous video and this video. If we divide fraction by whole number, for example 3/4 divided by 2, then it is the same as 3/4 times 1/2 or half. If we divide 4 by 2/3, whole number divided by fraction, then it is the same as 4 times 3/2. The similarities, they both have KFC. What is KFC? KFC stands for keep, flip, and change. We start by keeping the first part. 3/4 stays 3/4 and 4 stays 4. We flip the second part. 2 becomes 1/2, while 2/3 becomes 3/2. And change means we change the symbol from division into multiplication. Now let's take a look at 3 examples. I'll give you time, you can pause the video, and after that you can play it again to know the answer. Let's start by keeping the first part. 3 stays 3, 4/5 stays 4/5, 2/3 stays 2/3. Flip, we flip the second part. 2/5 becomes 5/2, 3 becomes 1/3, and 1/6 becomes 6/1. And then change the symbol from division into multiplication. Now for 3, we need to put a little bit of something so that it becomes like a fraction. 3 is basically 3 divided by 1 or 3/1. So now we can calculate them. For the first questions, 3 times 5 is 15 and 1 times 2 is 2. Don't forget to simplify it. It becomes 7, 1/2. Now, second number, 4 times 1 is 4, while 5 times 3 is 15. And the third number is 2 times 6 equals to 12, and 3 times 1 equals to 3. Don't forget to simplify it. 12 divided by 3 is 4.